Hello student. So this video is all about the different mechanisms of reactions. Mechanism of reactions. Benzyne condensation, Nowengel reaction, Claisen-Suchmudet reaction, Cannizzaro reaction, Cross-Cannizzaro reactions. So these are almost 5 reactions and we are going to see the mechanism of this all reactions. So first reaction is what? Benzoin condensation. Benzoin condensation is self-condensation of aromatic aldehyde in the presence of cyanide ion as a catalyst to give aromatic alpha hydroxy ketones. Benzoin condensation. Benzoin condensation is what? Self-condensation of aromatic aldehyde. So as you can see, the benzoin condensation. This is benzaldehyde and potassium. What we have used? Potassium cyanide, water molecule and base. Right? So what will happen? The reduction of this carbonyl group will take place. And we will get this benzoin. This is called as benzoin condensation. So let's see the mechanism, then you will get the clear idea of this benzoin condensation. See the benzoin condensation. So basically this is aromatic aldehyde, right? So this carbonyl group will get reduced first when this cyanide ion will attack on this carbonyl group. So you will get benzaldehyde, right? This is, and that this C double bond O will get break and oxygen will have negative charge. So now what will happen? This oxygen atom will form bond with water, will form bond with hydrogen atom from water, right? And OH minus will get eliminated. Now that OH minus will remove this hydrogen atom and it will form as a water and will get eliminated, right? So this carbon atom will have negative charge, right? So the formation of carbon ion. Now this carbon ion will get react with new benzaldehyde, right? So that negatively charged carbon ion will attack on this carbonyl carbon atom and it will give this structure. So what will happen? This carbon oxygen double bond will get break and oxygen will have negative charge, O minus, right? Then the shifting of hydrogen atom and oxygen will have negative charge, right? So that this oxygen atom have negative charge. So the hydrogen atom from this OH will shift over here to this and it will form OH, right? Now this oxygen atom have negative charge and it will form double bond, and what will happen? This cyanide group will get eliminate. So Cn minus will get removed and we will get benzoin. Let's see again. This cyanide will attack on this carbonyl carbon atom and oxygen will have negative charge. After that, what will happen, that oxygen atom which is having negative charge will form bond with hydrogen atom from water molecule, and OH minus will get removed, and that OH minus will abstract this proton and it will form water and will get eliminate, and you will get carbon ion, and that carbon ion will react with new fresh molecule of benzaldehyde, and then we will get benzoin. Applications. Now these are the applications of benzoin condensation. Preparation of aromatic alpha hydroxy ketones called benzoins. Preparation of aromatic alpha hydroxy ketones called benzoins. Alpha hydroxy ketones obtained from benzoin reaction are oxidized to alpha diketone. So these are the applications of this benzoin condensation. Second is what? Nonangel reaction. The condensation of aldehyde or ketone having no alpha hydrogen atom with active methylene compound in the presence of basic catalyst is known as Nonangel reaction. And the mixture is reflux with continuous removal of water. Nonangel condensation. Now see, this is ketone and this is active methylene group, where Z1 and Z2 can be electron withdrawing groups. What will happen when Z1 and Z2 are electron withdrawing group? It will withdraw the electron density from carbon atom, and what will happen, this both hydrogen atoms are what? Activated. So this is called activated methylene group. This is activated methylene group which will react with this ketone. After removal of water molecule, we will get this alpha beta unsaturated compound. So this is the mechanism. We have taken diketone, right, which have active methylene compound, right, and this is base. So this base will abstract this proton. Now what will happen, this carbon atom will have negative charge, and then it will react with ketone. So this is the resonance. So basically what happen in Nonangel reaction, the aldehyde or ketone having no alpha hydrogen atom. So first you have to remember, whenever you are going to do this Nonangel reaction, you have to take aldehyde or ketone which have no alpha hydrogen atom with active methylene compound in the presence of basic catalyst is known as Nonangel reaction. So basically in this reaction what will happen, removal of water molecule. After removal of water molecule we will get the product.